I'm Ron from Northspeed Restoration. We're at SEMA. I brought the 76 Squarebody out here to show what we can do with the Toro feature vehicle. So we're hanging on the sidewalk this week showing this truck off. The guys worked really hard on this truck, and I mean, it shows. It's great to see the reaction of everybody out here. The shop's been around for over 40 years. We do a lot of muscle cars. We do street rods. We're doing a pretty sweet 40 Chevy right now that I have to show you in a minute because it's getting a set of Detroit wheels on it as well. A lot of very clean, classically styled builds coming out of our shop. This is our third vehicle we've had at SEMA. We were here last year with a Firebird. There's 6 of us at the shop. We have guys that specialize in different areas, a lot of custom metal work. Our paint guy is fantastic, even down to like mechanical. Like when a car leaves our shop, it's turnkey, and our customer is not going to have an issue with it. They're going to be able to get in it and drive it. Ray's been picking away at this thing for quite a while, and it sat for a long time. This truck has 8,800 miles on it. It was like inherited, and then he got it off the guy that inherited it. The only rust that we had to fix on this truck was from like the toe mirrors. You know, it had the old school toe mirrors, just a little rust spot on the door. That's it. This truck is as clean and honest as it gets. Everything on this truck we kind of worked together on. What we really tried to do, and this was something that was very important to Ray, is we used as much stuff built in the USA as we could. This is a square body Chevy, this is America, right? Everything that we could use that was built here, we did. It's got a dart block, 427, the Detroit steel wheels. Most of the trim is factory. We re-blacked it. Even the dog dishes are factory dog dishes. Dana 60 dog dishes are not easy to come by. One of my best supporters is the guy I use for interiors, Dan Knish at Knish Customs. We almost exclusively use Douglas leather interior products. Dan is actually launching a line of door panels, his new company Squarebody Solutions. Great to have him part of the build. Of course, the normal things that are just like standard in a high quality build is like vintage air, American Auto Wire, Dakota digital gauges, like and they look factory, they work. The speed is right, like you actually know how fast you're going when you're ripping the thing up and down the strip. When you have something like this, like you want to enjoy it. It shouldn't be a worry to drive your hot rod or truck or whatever it is. You should be able to get in it and go have a good time. The thing I love the most when I get like I'll finish a build and we won't see the car for a little bit and they'll bring it back, and when I see the odometer says like 5,000 miles, yes, please drive this. I got one guy, he's got 30,000 miles on his 34 Ford Coupe. 30,000 miles. Like, I would love to put 30,000 miles on a hot rod. Absolutely. I think I started coming in like 2017, and what was the plan? The plan was to go every other year, and the first year that I skipped, I had so much FOMO that I just like, nope, every year I gotta come, I gotta go see the new products. We're gonna show this thing all week. Next stop, we're headed to Dino's. We will see you there.